Here are the 11 Indian startups that entered the Unicorn Club in 2021. As per the latest tally, e-commerce, fintech and enterprise tech are among the popular sectors in the Indian Unicorn Club. The fintech sector has 11 startups in the list, with Paytm, PhonePe, Zerodha, Razorpay, Pine Labs being examples. Startups that entered the Unicorn Club in 2021. Number 1. Digit Insurance. Bangalore-based Insurtech startup Digit Insurance was the first startup to enter the Indian Unicorn Club. The company has raised $18 million from existing investors in January at a valuation of $1.9 billion. Digit Insurance is a tech-driven general insurance company founded in 2016 by Kamlesh Goyal and Prem Vatsa's Fairfax Holdings. Number 2. Innovacer. The strain on global healthcare due to COVID was enormous and shocking, with the fear of mass infection hanging over the public. Innovacer was one of the shining stars of the Indian startup ecosystem and ended up becoming the first Indian health tech unicorn. Number 3. Meesho. The Indian social commerce segment may be at a nascent stage at the point, but it is poised to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 55 to 60% to reach 16 billion to 20 billion gross merchandise value by 2025. Founded by IIT Delhi graduates Atrey and Sanjeev Bernwal in 2015, Meesho is an online reseller network for individuals and small and medium businesses who sell products within the network on their social channels such as WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Number 4. Infra.Market. This year, there is another startup, Infra.Market, that entered the club riding on its profitability and strong growth. The company, founded by Aditya Sharda and Souvik Sengupta in 2016, is a B2B online procurement marketplace for real estate and construction material that leverages technology to offer fair pricing and a smoother procurement experience for its customers. Number 5. PharmEasy. With eyes on market dominance and the Unicorn Club, API Holdings had set out to forge a merger between its subsidiary PharmEasy and its rival MedLife in 2020. PharmEasy was founded in 2015 by Dharmil Seth and Dr. Dhaval Shah to the chronic care segment and offers a range of services such as teleconsultation, medicine deliveries, and sample collection for diagnostic tests. Number 6. Cred. With only 57 lakh rupees as operating revenue in the financial year 2020, Kunal Shah-led fintech platform Cred entered the Unicorn Club at a whopping valuation of $2.2 billion. Several big names of the VC ecosystem like DST Global, RTP Global, Tiger Global, Green Oaks Capital, Dragoneer Investment Group, and Sofina has placed their bets over Cred, which focuses on premium credit card users, offering them rewards and benefits for paying credit card bills. Number 7. Groww. India found its second wealth management unicorn in Groww only 8 months after bootstrapped Zerodha valued itself over $1 billion. The 5-year-old company was founded by ex-Flipkart employees Lalit Kesre, Harsh Jain, Neeraj Singh and Ishan Bansal and has over 15 million registered so far. Number 8. ShareChat. ShareChat has finally found its way into the Unicorn Club after capturing the attention of users across Tier 2 and 3 India. ShareChat, which was founded by IIT Kanpur alumni Fareed Ahsan, Bhanu Singh and Ankush Sachdeva in 2015, started its journey in 2015 as a content sharing tool for WhatsApp, with users sharing about 100k content pieces every day. Number 9. Gupshup. San Francisco headquartered Gupshup is the 9th startup to enter the Unicorn Club in 2021, after raising $100 million in its Series F funding round led by Tiger Global Management. Founded by Birut Seth in 2004, Gupshup is a conversational messaging platform that caters to businesses from multiple sectors including banking, e-commerce, hospitality, consumer goods, among others. Number 10. ChargeEV. Chennai-based subscription management platform ChargeEV became the 10th unicorn of 2021 after raising $125 million in its Series G funding round. ChargeEV is an automated subscription billing software platform which was founded in 2010 by Rajaraman S., Diya Garjan T., KP Sarvanan and Krish Subramaniam. Number 11. Urban Company. Gurugram-based hyperlocal service provider Urban Company is the latest startup to join the Unicorn Club, as the company is said to be valued at $2 billion in its funding round. Founded in 2014 by Abhiraj Behl, Raghav Chandra and Varun Khaitan, Urban Company, formerly known as Urban Clap, is a home service company that focuses on beauty and massage, appliance repair, plumbing, carpentry, cleaning and painting.